welcome to MS Craftshop and the final part of the fun activity Mysterious Nesting Folio Album. This activity involves creating a project with 3 parts. These parts are separate projects that form a single whole. Recently, we solved the second piece of the mystery. As you can see, the pieces of the puzzle fit together well and complement each other perfectly. Today, I will present the third and last one, which will complete the entire project. Here it is, the third and final piece of the puzzle, a beautiful and elegant box. This box perfectly complements the entire project, providing an ideal solution for storing the completed album. And what do you think? I believe we have solved the mystery. All 3 pieces of the puzzle fit together. So now let's check the solution to the third puzzle. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of making the blank base for the box. The best choice for making a box is A3-sized paper. However, I didn't have any paper of that size, so I joined 2 A4-sized sheets instead. You can see the connection now, but I assure you that after I decorate the box with scrapbooking paper, it will not be visible. Additionally, the best choice would be to use paper that weighs at least 300 grams. Since I didn't have that type of paper on hand, I decided to reinforce the box by adding extra layers of scrapbooking paper to enhance its strength. I will go into more detail about this later in the tutorial. As you can see, I have already decorated the bottom part of the box using scrapbooking paper at this stage. Each additional layer of paper will reinforce the box. These steps to stiffen the box are necessary because it's quite large and needs to be strong enough to hold the album. If you choose to use the same method to create a box for a smaller album or other smaller items, these steps won't be necessary. However, as I mentioned earlier, simply using a heavier paper will solve all the above problems. I also recommend decorating each individual element of the box before attaching them together. This approach makes the work much easier. After closing the lift, you will notice a small gap between the closure and the front side. This was intentional, as we need enough space for magnets and scrapbooking paper. Continuing with the box reinforcement. As you can see, even though I used scrapbooking paper before, after gluing the right and left sides of the box, I again applied an additional layer of decorative paper. I reinforced all four sides of the box as well as the bottom, effectively concealing the previously visible folded elements of the black paper. Also, I reinforced the right and left sides of the box by applying an extra strip of paper. I suggest adding a ribbon to the bottom of the box. This ribbon will make it easier to remove the album from the box. Also, be sure to leave enough space between the album and the sides of the box. Insufficient space will make it difficult to insert and remove the album from the box due to its size and height. The puzzle of the mysterious Nesting Folio album has been solved. I had a lot of fun creating this project and would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment and share your feedback. I also invite you to watch a video that will be released next week. As I promised earlier, I will demonstrate how each piece of this puzzle can stand alone as a separate project. You will be surprised. Thank you for watching and see you next week.